dal recipe which we usually don't make in our kitchen. I'll be making Navratan dal. It is a combination of 9 kind of pulses so that all the nourishment and the nutrition from all these 9 kind of dals get mixed into one dal. So let's see how to make this very interesting Navratan dal recipe. The ingredients required are, you need 9 kind of pulses or dal which I have already soaked. You need to soak these for at least 4 to 5 hours. What are these 9 dals here are rajma, kala chana, these are white chana, matra, sabut maki dal, sabut moong, lobia, masar dal and chane ki dal. So the ratio would be, you need to take half a cup of chane ki dal and 1/4 cup of all these 8 pulses. Then we need crushed ginger garlic paste, tomato puree and all those spices like salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. First of all, we'll take a pressure cooker into which we have sauteed cumin seeds in heated refined oil. To this, we'll be adding ginger garlic, just like any other tadka which we prepare. We will saute it nicely. Into this, we'll be adding tomato puree, and in the puree, we'll be adding all the spices like salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and we have to cook the tomato puree till it leaves oil. Now we'll add the soaked dal. The procedure of making dal is just the same as you make any other dal. Only difference is that one, we are using 9 kinds of dal together. We will add water and we will pressure cook the dal. We will close it and we have to pressure cook it for at least till the dal gets cooked properly. Simultaneously, we will prepare a desi ghee tadka for our dal, because in all the Indian homes the tadka of desi ghee is really a must. I also like that flavor. So for this I have heated up desi ghee, and once it is heated up, you have to switch off the flame. We will add, this is colored red chili powder or the ranga mirch. This is a tadka ready. We can add this tadka once our dal is ready. My Navratan dal is now ready. I have added the desi ghee tadka which we had prepared earlier, and onto this I'll give a final shot. What we'll do is a very interesting thing. So what you have to do is, you have to take a coal piece and in the flame we need to burn it completely till it turns red. And now we'll switch off the flame. Then onto the dal, we'll take this burnt coal piece and we'll top it with desi ghee so that the flavor of desi ghee and coal get infused in our dal. This will give a very nice flavor to our dal. So after you cover it for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will remove this coal piece from the dal. My Navratan dal is now ready. You can serve it with nice hot chapatis and enjoy the flavor of all these 9 kind of pulses put together in one pulse. So try making this an interesting dal recipe, and I'm sure you'll love the flavors of all the pulses together. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.